lamb stew here guys, lamb stew. Delicious lamb, Cantonese lamb stew. Okay guys, so I'm simmering my lamb meat over here. I'm using 2 kgs of lamb meat. Nice. Just simmer it in this water. In this boiling water, I added in half a teaspoon of salt and a drizzle of Chinese rice wine. We're doing this to get rid of the lamb impurities before we make the stew. Okay, we'll let this boil up. Okay guys, you can see I boiled it. See the lamb. You can see a lot of dirt has came out from this lamb. So you must boil your meat first before you make the stew, or else you're gonna get all this dirtiness in your stew sauce and you don't want that. Okay, now it's boiled. I'm gonna just drain this, and then yeah, we will prepare the dish. Okay guys, let's make this lamb stew here. I preheated my wok. Just adding in a good amount of olive oil to fry my lamb. Just rinse this around. Okay, so my wok is already preheated, so I turned down the heat. Now I'm going to add in a few teaspoons of crushed garlic. Okay, this is crushed garlic and ginger. I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons. Let's just make it 3 teaspoons. Stir that around in the olive oil. Okay, now I'm going to throw in my lamb. We'll turn up the heat. I'm just gonna give this lamb a good browning on its skin. Stir fried in this garlic and ginger oil. Tiny bit of water. Okay, I'm going to add in my onions. There's about 3 onions here. The lamb is about 2 kgs of lamb. I'm also going to pour in half a jar of crushed tomatoes here. Give that a good stir fry. Okay guys, I'm going to add in 1 slab of brown sugar, Chinese brown sugar. This 1 slab, I just broke it in half, just add it in there. Stir fry. You don't need to add additional sugar because of the Chinese brown sugar here. If you don't have Chinese brown sugar, you can add in maybe like about 4 to 5 tablespoons of normal sugar. But this is the Cantonese lamb stew, and I suggest you get some of this brown sugar. Okay guys, now we're going to give the lamb a bit of color. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. We're going to add in half a bowl of soy sauce, white soy sauce. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Just make that 2 tablespoons. Tablespoons of oyster sauce. A drizzle of sesame oil around. A drizzle of Chinese rice wine around. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. Then we're going to add in 2 cubes of fermented red bean curd. 2 cubes of fermented red bean curd. And a little bit of the fermented red bean curd sauce. The red sauce. Then over here I got some Mexican chili relish. You can add some chopped chilies if you like it a bit spicy, or some of this chili relish if you have. This is very spicy, so I'm just gonna add in. I'm just adding 1 teaspoon, just to give this stew a little kick. Okay, so that's all our sauces. Let's just tune up the heat and mix this up, stir fry this. Stir fry all the ingredients up until the sauce and the sauce is starting to boil up. As you can see, our brown sugar looks like it has dissolved into the sauce already. Okay, let's turn down the heat once it has boiled. Okay, and let's add in a few pieces of star anise over here. Add in a few pieces there. Next, I've got this nectarine peel. So you're just gonna buy your nectarine, peel it, and then just put it in the sun and then dry it up. And then then you can store it up when you need to make a stew. So just gonna put 1 nectarine peel here and just separate it in half. Okay. Okay, next I'm gonna add in my potatoes. Just put it here. Put it all around the meat. So guys, we're gonna be simmering this stew here. So we won't be using no pressure cooker. In my previous videos, we used the pressure cooker and the meat went very tender, and it was a bit watery because the water couldn't evaporate. So this time I'm making this stew, just simmering it using the stove. Okay, if you've got carrots, it's also nice to have some carrots in your stew. If you're using a pressure cooker, you'll just be adding in half a bowl of water. But now you're gonna be stewing in this wok, so we're gonna be adding in a full kettle of water. Okay, over here I've got about 1.8 liters of water. Let's see how much water we need. Because we're going to be simmering this for about 1 to 2 hours. So we need to add enough water or else the base will burn. Okay, so I've added in about 800, almost 700 to 800 ml of water. You see, so watery now. Okay, we're going to put on the lid and let this simmer for 1 to 2 hours. But check on it about every 20 minutes just to see that the base does not burn. Okay guys, so I took the stew downstairs to use the gas stove to stew, and yeah, you can see all the lamb is at the base, so the lamb will be cooked up first and then the potatoes on top will also be cooked up nicely. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's wait for the stew to be ready. Okay guys, it has been 30 minutes. Let's check this out. Let's give this a good stir at the base to check if it's burnt or not, but there's still a lot of liquid. see a lot of the liquid has dissolved. As you can see the potatoes here, a lot of that sauce is sticking on top here. Cook the potatoes a bit. It's looking good. We're going to check on this after another 30 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 1 hour. Let's check this out. It's a good mix. Yeah, I can see the potatoes breaking up. Wow, check out that meat. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay, let's give it a little taste. Check out that meat. Wow. Let's have a little bite. The meat is tender already after 1 hour. Taste some potato. Delicious potato here. The potato is so soft, guys. You gotta try this recipe. Okay. After 1 hour, everything is perfect. It's just time for dinner, waiting for my family to come home. It will be time for dinner. Check out this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a very delicious recipe. Don't use the pressure cooker, guys. Do it like this. This is the delicious method here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this with your family and friends. Wow. Hey guys, check this out. Got some rice. Wow. Got a little carrot and potato. Let's taste this. Delicious lamb. Woohoo! Check that out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's taste. Damn, the first bite, so good. The potato. Guys, give this recipe a try, it's so delicious. Don't use a pressure cooker for this. Cook it like this, just takes 1 hour and then the meat is very tender. Yummy.